wonderful learners, welcome back to Literary Rights. I'm Swaranjali. Quick question. If someone picks up your pen and you want to claim it, what do you say? That pen is mine. Does that sound right? No. That pen is mine. Yes, that's it. Then why do we say that is my pen in one sentence and that pen is mine in another? Same ownership, same person, but two different words. Today we are going to understand possessive pronouns, what they are, how they work, and exactly when to use my versus mine, your versus yours, and all the others. Once you get this distinction, a very common error in your English simply disappears. Let's jump in. Possessive pronouns are the pronouns that show ownership or belonging. They answer the question, whose? Now here is the important thing that confuses most of the students. There are actually two types of possessive forms in English. The first type is called possessive adjectives. My, your, his, her, its, are, their. The second type is called possessive pronouns. Mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, theirs. Now I know what you're thinking. Swaranjali, why two types? That's confusing. But trust me, once I show you the difference, it will make complete sense. Here is the rule. Possessive adjectives always come before a noun. They describe the noun. They cannot stand alone. Possessive pronouns stand alone. They replace the noun completely. They do not need a noun after them. Let me show you with examples. This is my book. My is the possessive adjective. It sits before the noun book. It describes which book. This book is mine. Mine is a possessive pronoun. It stands alone. It has replaced my book entirely. See the difference? Same ownership, but in the first sentence, the noun book is still there. In the second one, mine replaces the whole thing. Let me give you the complete chart. Notice something interesting? His and its are the same in both columns. Only one form exists for these two. Now let's see all of them in sentences. That is my bag. That bag is mine. Is this your phone? Is this phone yours? That is his notebook. That notebook is his. I love her handwriting. That handwriting is hers. This is our classroom. This classroom is ours. These are their projects. These projects are theirs. Now let me show you where this distinction actually appears in everyday communication. Situation number 1. Identifying ownership directly. Someone holds up a jacket and asks, whose jacket is this? You don't say it is my jacket. You simply say it is mine. The possessive pronoun replaces the noun. Situation number 2. Comparing ownership. My marks are better than yours. Here yours replaces your marks. You don't repeat the noun. The possessive pronoun handles it cleanly. Situation number 3. After prepositions. A friend of mine told me about this channel. Not a friend of mine. That is wrong. After of, we use the possessive pronouns form. A colleague of hers published a paper recently. An idea of ours became the final project. This is a very common construction in English and it always uses the possessive pronoun, never the possessive adjective. Let me show you 3 mistakes students make with possessive pronouns. Mistake number 1, using possessive adjective where pronoun is needed. The wrong sentence is, this pen is mine. The correct one is, this pen is mine. Remember, if no noun follows, use the pronoun form. My cannot stand alone at the end of the sentence. Mistake number 2. Adding apostrophe to possessive pronouns. The wrong sentence is, the decision is theirs or this bag is yours. The correct sentence is, the decision is theirs or this bag is yours. Possessive pronouns never use an apostrophe. Never. Apostrophe in pronouns create contractions. Its, which means It is, not possession. This is one of the most common written errors I see. Mistake number 3, confusing its and its. Dr. Madhuri covered this in the last video, but it is so important, so I am repeating it. The wrong sentence is, the school celebrated its annual day, but the correct one is, the school celebrated its annual day. It's without apostrophe means possession. It's with an apostrophe means it is. Keep them separate in your mind. Let's practice. Fill in the correct form. Question number 1. Is this dash umbrella? Use the possessive adjective for you. Pause. The correct answer is this your umbrella? Your comes before the noun umbrella. Question number 2. That umbrella is dash. Use the possessive pronoun for you. Pause. The answer is that umbrella is yours. Yours stand alone, replacing your umbrella. Question number 3. A friend of dash recommended this book. Use the possessive pronoun for I. Pause. The answer is a friend of mine recommended this book. After of, always use the pronoun form. Question number 4. The dog hurt dash paw. Its or its. Pause. The answer is the dog hurt its paw. No apostrophe. This is possession. Excellent work today. You now understand the difference between possessive adjectives, my, your, his, her, its, are, their, which always come before a noun, and possessive pronouns, mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, theirs, which stand completely alone and replace the noun. In the next video, Dr. Madhuri will teach you reflexive and intensive pronouns. Words like myself, yourself, himself, and themselves. You'll understand exactly when to use them and why saying please contact myself is actually a grammar mistake that even professionals make. Subscribe to Literary Rights and let's build your grammar confidence together. Nothing difficult, nothing missing, just clear, complete learning. See you in the next lesson. Keep learning, keep growing. Bye.